Hi everyone, in my previous video, I have shown you how we can derive a unique list of items using unique formula in Excel. However, this formula is only available in Excel 365. What if we don't have Excel 365? What can we do? I will explore some options which are available to us, and that's mainly around using remove duplicate function in Excel or using pivot table to create a unique list of products sold. Let's look at our data. I have in here in the blue tables 157,000 rows of product IDs and products sold, and some of these product IDs appear more than one times. So the question is, how do we create a unique list? Yeah. Option number one is by copying, pasting, go to data, and hit remove duplicate and click OK. Now, doing that will automatically reduce the list to 10,000 of unique product ID. That's option number one. Option number two is by using pivot table. Let me show you how to do that. You start by highlighting product ID. You go insert, pivot table. I want to keep it in the existing worksheets. So I'm going to select H4 as my location. I'm going to click OK. Drag the product ID to row box and value box, and then close that window, and voila, we have a list of product IDs, unique product IDs. Now, so we've got two options. Let me walk you through the plus and minuses of both. With pivot table, the formatting is a little bit ugly. You've got two columns. You may want to hide this column, or copy and paste it before you give to someone. Just column H onwards. Now, the beauty of using pivot table is you can still maintain a sense of audit trail, because you can go to pivot table analyze, change source data, and you can see where does that come from. So you could see the original data list. Whereas with remove duplicate options, you lost the audit trail. We don't know where does that list come from. Yeah. As a result, if the original list change, for example, let me just assume that we get given a revised list and that product ID has now changed, becomes AAAA and BBB. Yeah. If we use pivot table to derive the unique list, we can refresh, and the pivot table will automatically get updated with the two new items that we have just added. Whereas with remove duplicate, there is no link. So what you need to do is you need to repeat the process one more time to get this list updated. And that is why I prefer the pivot table options. Now, obviously, if you are on Excel 365, then you should use the unique formula. And that's the simplest, easiest way. You do that, you type unique, you highlight the item list, and voila, that's done. But it is only available in 365. So if you're not on Excel 365, choose either remove duplicate option or pivot table options. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe and like it. See you next time.